Danger, pirates, stinky poops, and meteorites. Hey, friggin' rights. Okay, and then air filter cleaner. So Jesse's working on his Cavalier today, and he's got one of these K&N filters, and he's gonna clean it, I suppose. So this is what you're supposed to use, filter cleaner, and there's an oil process after this. Pre-cleaning, tap loose any dirt and brush with a soft brush. Spray cleaner on liberally. Let it soak for 10 minutes. Gurgle, gurgle. And rinse off with water and let it dry naturally. And then the oiling instructions will be last. Air filter oil, part number 99-0504. Oh yeah! Danger, pirates, stinky poops, and meteorites. So when you're using this stuff, watch out for pirates, stinky poops, and meteorites. And direct inhalation may be harmful. Formulated especially for K&N gauze air filters. Red uniform color of oil indicates a properly oiled filter. When applied, the oil will soak evenly into the cotton pleats, thus creating a superior tack barrier for dirt, yet allowing maximum airflow. Never use an air filter without oil. Lightly brush off, clean, soak. Allow it to dry naturally, and then re-oil. Do not clean with gas, solvents, steam, or caustic cleaners. Do not use high pressure air to clean or dry filter. Applying oil. Spray evenly along each pleat, holding nozzle 3 inches away. Do not spray in a circular motion. Let air filter stand for 20 minutes and respray any visible white spots. Keep away from children. Yeah, see it's red? See it has a color to it? Let me see. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's red more than the rest. This is a coffee mug, it says on the box. Good thing they wrapped it like that because I dropped it already. Oh my goodness. Slime green merch. Friggin' rights. So I ordered like 4 items, I think, and I guess they're all being shipped individually for whatever reason. So this is the first one to arrive. What do you think? found out the box was upside down. I cut this tape. I haven't opened it yet. So I guess we're gonna see this together. The box is a little dirty and banged, but I have good faith. It's only t-shirts, I think. So we're gonna see here. Create, share, spring. Oh, it's only one. I ordered 2 of these. And this is very similar to the first one I designed. I have some in my dresser, some navy blue ones. The only difference is they had a play button on the back and these ones don't. So that's the front. Slime green, same as the coffee mug, I think. Hanes. 100% cotton. So I think this is the standard. This is not the premium. I think the premium has tagless, but otherwise this will be the standard t-shirt. So I did order several samples. This is only one of several. But yeah, it's here. The good thing about this is if you wanted one, you can order one, and I don't have to mail it. It's all taken care of by these guys. We handle production, shipping, and customer support. So basically I just create the design and everything else is in their hands, so that's pretty handy. I also ordered safety orange hoodie and another t-shirt. I can't remember what color the other t-shirt is. Navy blue. And a die cut sticker. That's pretty cool. Shiny. Oh my goodness. So I might give a couple items away. I'm not sure which ones yet. I've only got a few items. There's a couple more that haven't arrived yet. So I might give a couple of these away. Caution, do not place in hot water near radiator stoves or other sources of heat. Store temperatures above 50, keep away from open flame. Use in well ventilated conditions. First aid if swallowed. Call a physician or poison control center immediately. Manufactured in USA for K&N Engineering.